Having what is commonly referred to as an immigrant mindset can offer several advantages in life. It is characterized by traits such as resilience, hard work, adaptability, and resourcefulness. Often overlooked is the fact that the same traits can provide benefits in your investing journey. And this is regardless of whether you are an immigrant or not. It's because it's the mindset that determines this, and anybody can develop this mindset. Before we begin, remember, I too am an Indian immigrant in Canada. Over the last few years, I have truly understood the importance of this mindset. And trust me, I'm trying my best to apply it in my investing journey every single day. Now, without any further delay, let's get to it. The first immigrant trait is determination and persistence. The process of immigrating to a new country is not an easy one, and it requires persistence to navigate through various different challenges. Everything from bureaucratic hurdles to cultural adjustments in an unfamiliar place. Despite the challenges, most immigrants leave their home country to search for better opportunities and brighter futures for their families and themselves, even if it means leaving behind everything they have known or loved throughout their life. So what does this mean for their investing journey? First, it helps in overcoming obstacles. The world of investing can be challenging and full of obstacles. Determination and persistence enable investors to navigate these hurdles, whether they are financial setbacks, market downturns, or personal setbacks. Also, every investor makes mistakes at some point. Determined and persistent investors are more likely to identify these mistakes as opportunities for learning and improving rather than reasons to quit. Warren Buffett says, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." So, as long as you remain patient, overcome obstacles, and keep learning, you will come out successful. Second, this trait offers a long-term perspective. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Success requires patience and discipline to stay committed to financial goals. Immigrants understand that financial success and wealth accumulation does not happen overnight. They are willing to stay the course even when faced with short-term market fluctuations. This reminds us of the most powerful force in investing, that is compound effect. Persistent investors who stay the course and continuously invest can greatly benefit from this compound effect. Let's take a quick look at an example of compound effect using the S&P 500. First, we assume that the S&P 500 will have 10% annualized returns over the next 30 years. This is in the realm of possibility as it has returned more than that over the last 100 years. Even if an immigrant starts investing later in life, between the age of 30 and 60, someone with a decent enough job, by putting aside just $750 every month for their retirement, can retire with over $1 million thanks to compounding. The total investment would be as little as $200,000 over those 30 years. Now, this was just to demonstrate the power of compounding. You should use your own financial goals to set your investing milestones. Start small, but make sure you stay the course. The next immigrant trait is resourcefulness. Immigrants often need to get accustomed to new environments, leveraging resources that are available to them to fulfill their needs. In fact, in most cases, immigrants start with very limited financial resources in the new country. Even though I moved to Canada for my higher education, I needed to take on debt to do so. But during that time, I was trying to leverage my other skills to make some money on the side. I have firsthand witnessed immigrants' ability to find job opportunities, educational resources, and community support in a new country. You'll be surprised by their resourcefulness. The two ways this trait helps in investing are: first, for research and analysis. Effective investment requires thorough research and analysis of assets, markets, and economic conditions. Resourceful investors are adept at gathering and processing information from different sources to make informed decisions. Investors who are resourceful stay up to date with financial markets, market developments, and investment techniques, allowing them to make informed decisions. Secondly, it helps in identifying investment opportunities. Resourceful investors are skilled at identifying unique and often overlooked investing opportunities. They are quick to recognize and capitalize on opportunities, whether it's a market upswing, a sudden drop in asset prices, or change in tax laws that favor certain investing strategies. This year, when Canada launched its first home savings account, I saw all my immigrant friends jump on the opportunity to invest tax-free and get tax breaks. Before we get to the last trait, let me share some resources that I use on a regular basis. For charts and analysis, I use TradingView, TipRanks, and MarketBeat. For mainstream narratives, we have CNBC and Fox News to get balanced perspectives. I also follow more upcoming channels like Kitco News. For general principles and investing philosophy, I follow some amazing podcasters, YouTubers, and big names in the space. Other than that, I also follow people on Twitter to get up-to-date information, and same goes for YouTube. You'll find links to these resources in the description. Next and the final trait is adaptability. Immigrants must often adapt to new cultures, languages, and societal norms, which fosters a very flexible mindset. The unpredictable nature of immigration necessitates the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and unexpected challenges in their new lives. This really puts them out of their comfort zone, but they adapt and persevere in the face of change. This comes in extremely handy when investing too. First, it helps in reacting to market changes. Financial markets are dynamic and highly unpredictable, experiencing fluctuations due to various factors such as economic news, geopolitical events, and technological advancements. Adaptive investors can quickly react to these changes. They adjust their investment strategies to mitigate risk and seize opportunities. Whether it's in identifying trends like AI, jumping on real estate opportunities, or hoarding gold when necessary. Secondly, it helps adjust to changing risk appetite. An investor's risk tolerance may change over time due to life events, financial goals, or economic changes. Adaptability allows investors to reassess their risk appetite and make necessary adjustment to their portfolios to align with their current comfort level. Immigrants are no strangers to risk, as for them the biggest risk will often remain the time when they left their familiar home country. If you're an immigrant, look deep within yourself and you will find a bunch of these traits. If you do not find them or you're not an immigrant, do not worry. You too can develop this mindset. Practice healthy financial planning, avoid a consumer mindset, and learn more about personal finance and investing. Once you develop this mindset, there's no stopping you. You too can achieve your financial goals. Keep learning and stay on top of your finances. Until next time.